We also have a close eye on the tropics tonight. Florida is under a state of emergency ahead of Tropical Storm Ian. It is expected to become a major hurricane in the coming days. People in Florida are now beginning to prepare for the worst. So let's bring in meteorologist Jesse Hawila for a look at what Ian is like right now out in the tropics. Jesse.
So still a tropical storm.
Okay.
But we're likely going to have Hurricane Ian tomorrow morning.
Here we go.
It's really, really close to hurricane status. So let me show you the very latest satellite loop. You can see it there. Getting more organized near the Cayman Islands right now. Here's the latest view of what's happening with Ian. Winds are 65 miles per hour. Currently, we're going to go back here. Let's see. So again, just south of Cayman Islands is where we have that. Cayman Islands, there's the center. 65 mile per hour winds right now. It will track to the northwest. 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, likely to become a hurricane at that point. So this is probably the last time we'll be saying Tropical Storm Ian, at least until it dies out again when it moves over land. Then it's a major hurricane, a Category 3, as it moves over the western edge of Cuba. That's Tuesday morning with 115 mile per hour winds. Then a Category 3 storm still Tuesday with 120 mile per hour winds. And then it looks like it will strengthen to a Category 4 as it approaches the Florida coast. It gets really tricky at that point because still a lot of uncertainty, and that's why you see this wide gap here, what we call the cone of uncertainty. It looks like it'll kind of go back down to a 3, still a very strong hurricane. Wednesday night, does it make landfall near Fort Myers, Tampa, maybe the panhandle of Florida? We'll have those answers in the days to come, but it really does look like Florida is the state that's going to have the biggest impacts from this very heavy rain. Some models putting out more than a foot of rain for much of the state. So we'll continue to track Ian.